What's up, guys? Welcome back to Cody's Funhouse. Today, we are going to be doing something cool. Have y'all ever heard of Hot Wheels? Okay, so I got some yeses and some nos. Doesn't matter. We got a big boy today. Yep. Let's just go back a little. Yeah. So, let me just unplug that. What we got here is a Octopus, and it's pretty much a car wash. Something cool though is that the cars there, don't know if you can see that, those green ones and the purple ones, they're so plain, right? Well, if you can see it, the cars change colors. That's amazing. Another thing is, if I just go over this side, it's so big, you got this can there, which I think that's the car. Don't know. Should come up with multiple cars because that kind of be lame. Yeah. Let's open it up. Yeah, it's just super confusing. I'm gonna find out where to open this from. Oh, there you go. Oh, whoever made this glued the top down. I don't know why, but yeah, it's a pain to get open. There we go. Okay, it's painy, but yours. Hang on, people. That is what we got so far. Always have adult supervision, or it is extremely hard to get open. Okay, so we got water tank, bucket, bajigabber, thingamajigabber. I think that's for holding water. That's what it looks like. Yeah, that's under the Octopus, I'm pretty sure. So, and then we got an octopus arm, chamber, thingamajigabber. Whoa, look, watch. I don't know what that's for. Let's find out. Okay, I'm gonna sit down. Yeah. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna move y'all down too. I was literally using a stool for how tall that thing was. Okay. That's my mom baking dinner in the background. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. Okay. So I got a Hot Wheels track piece finally, and watch this. I'm guessing when it goes, it will go down. Just like that turns down on to weird lane. Oh. Okay. I see something cool. I'm just gonna put all the pieces over here. Part of a loop. And the octopus. Yes. Cool. Okay, so that is the water thingy, and there's a little hole in there right there, so that shoots out of those little thingies and washes the car down, I'm pretty sure. So, octopus thingy jigabur. And then we got, I think this is just the ground, okay? Another ground. Guys, this thing is 4 feet long, so. Oh, yes. 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 Oh, yeah. Come on, go in there. Oh, wait, you know what? Does that go in there? Wait, no. So that. Just like that. Right? Is that right? Yeah, and then that goes. Guys, I have no idea. Okay, no, that is right. That is for sure right. That goes like, yeah, okay. So this is, that's at the top, and that goes like that. Are there instructions to this thing? Are there instructions? I mean, oh, whoa, that spins. Oh, cool. When the car hits it, the water spins. It's like, woo, woo. Oh, yes, the instructions. Okay, there's so much stuff here, guys. I don't even understand. I'm going to put this knife away. Dang, this is giant. Okay, we got a little turn thingy here. Another turn thingy that probably goes together like that. Yeah, okay. Boom, got that together. Got another thing. Another one of these. That goes like that, I'm guessing. Yeah. That's not broken, guys. Just so you know. That's supposed to be like that. Just so y'all know. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Got the octopus arms wrapped up in the cardboard. Let's see. Can y'all even, I mean, geez, can y'all even see me? There's so much stuff. How do you pick this on? What in the world? Yep. What in the world? This is so weird, but so cool at the same time. Okay, you know what? Oh gosh, there's a lot more stuff in there. Okay, so, this is what we got. This is what we got so far. All that. What's that? And 2 things of instructions. All that, the octopus. And we still got half the box to go. So, see you when I'm done with that. Hey guys, y'all need to see at all the stuff I've just gotten out. Doesn't look like that much, but guys, trust me, it was so hard. I had to get in the box for this. Yeah, you're welcome. Oh, and that's not even it. There's that too. With some stickers. And I still haven't opened the can. I'm going to do that at last. And then I'm going to try it all out. Test it for y'all guys. Now, I'm going to put this together. See you in a second. Okay, guys, finally finished the set. Jesus, took forever. I had some help, but I think it's done. Haven't even tested it yet. Watch this. I'll push. I don't know if y'all can see that. Can y'all see that? Hang on. Where's the camera again? So, I push this thingy, and watch those. It squirts water. It gets that soaked. Also, that's filled with water. I don't know if that's supposed to be, but I filled it up with water because I wanted to. So, I'm gonna make a cool montage of this and show y'all everything it does. Wait! No, I'm not yet. Okay. For a minute. So, I'm gonna have to go in there real fast. You wanna come with me? Good. It's probably completely dark for y'all, but I don't care. Y'all are with me at all times. Come on, get in. That didn't work. I'm gonna try to get that out and I'll show you what it looks like. Bye. Hey guys. That was so hard to get out. I literally was walking around in the box. I tried to get my sister for help, but she was no help. So, moment of truth. Okay, maybe not. Hang on. Let me get that. Okay, I see it. And I got it. Hold on, hang on. Woo! Look at that, it's completely green. Green beans. Let's see how good it rolls. Hang on. Okay, so it rolls pretty good. It looks so cool. Looks like it got a freaking machine gun at the end, but I don't know. Sick montage coming up. Guys, it's the next day. Don't know if I already showed you all this. Yeah. I've been playing with it all day. It's 1 o'clock. 12:50 to be exact. And the car, that green car that I showed you, I think I showed you, washed off, and it looks like this. That's so cool. So, I figured it out that they're not color changeable. Pretty much, they're filled with paint. They're like covered in paint. And what you're supposed to do is fill that up. Fill that little see-through box right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. I can't really see. Okay, yeah, y'all can. That see-through box right there, once it goes in, like, you're supposed to fill it up with water and all the green paint will wash off. Then, lift it up, goes in there, boom, goes over there, goes through the loop, and then it goes over here, and you spray water on it, which right now it's out of water, but yeah. Don't know if y'all saw that. But yeah. Anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Yeah. Sick montage coming up. Okay, guys, that's it for the Hot Wheels car wash. It's a super cool track. Y'all can see it back there. Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See the other videos I've made, and like hit the bell so you can get notifications of when I post. Yeah. See you next time.